The PIpet Keeper Container. Crease all the pre-scored folds A, B, C, and D, keeping all the printing on the outside. Form the box by pushing corner 1 inward and pulling corner 2 outward. The orange dots on corner 1 will meet. Fold corner 2 around the end of the box. The blue dot on corner 2 will meet the blue dot on the end of the box. An orange biohazard symbol will be formed on the end of the box. Fold the lock tab into the box. Lock in place by sliding under the diagonal fold inside of the box. Repeat this folding process for corners 3 and 4. Close the lid with lip and end flaps inside of the box. Lock the lid with the lock tab.